What's up, chicken butts? It's Amanda here, and today I am making a really quick, easy spring, summer, hot day side salad, and I thought it would be really fun to share with you guys just how quick and easy this is. I love it because there is no cooking involved. No heat from an oven, grill, stovetop, anything, and it's going to give you fuel and energy, and it has a bunch of different fresh ingredients in it, and it's a great one to bring to picnics, potlucks, barbecues, birthday parties, anything that's outside, because it's not temperature sensitive, so you can leave it out at room temperature and you don't have to worry about anybody getting sick. So as much as we love all of those delicious potato salads and macaroni salads, this is a great way to switch it up, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. So let's just get into it and get going. Okay, so to get started, you're going to grab a large mixing bowl, and then you're going to add one 15.5 ounce can of light red kidney beans, 15.5 ounce can of black beans, and a 15.5 ounce can of sweet corn. And I went ahead and drained and rinsed all these and put them in a bowl. And then we're going to add some fresh veggies. So for the veggie portion of it, you're going to go ahead and dice up one medium green bell pepper, 3 mini cucumbers, and half or a small red onion. And then we're going to be adding in some fresh cilantro to this. So I just went ahead and grabbed a handful of it, but you could definitely add as little or as much as you like, and you could sub out parsley if you're not a fan of cilantro. Okay, so before we go ahead and combine everything together, we're going to make a really quick dressing for this. This could not be any simpler. It's a third of a cup of fresh lemon juice, a third of a cup of avocado oil or olive oil, a half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And we're going to go ahead and just put it in a container or a jar, and we're gonna shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Yeah, look at that. It just kind of helps emulsify it. You could do this in a food processor, but I don't really even bother making the mess. And then once it comes together, it's gonna look a little bit blended like this, and that is just perfect. That's what we want. So let's go ahead and combine everything together, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right. Here she is. Look at how good that looks. It's so pretty. It's so healthy. It's so easy, and you guys are gonna love this. I definitely hope you make it. And what's really great about this too is we can add some additions to this. So what I like to do is add some fresh chopped up avocado or some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, but you want to wait until you're getting ready to serve it and put it in each person's bowl, so that way it doesn't get mushy or soggy with the tomatoes, and that way the avocado doesn't get discolored from being in the refrigerator. But this will definitely hold up for a little while on its own, and that's why I love adding just those fresh last minute additions, but those are just optional, and this just is so good. So my official taste tester, Adam, is not here. He is out fishing, so I will show you guys my reaction to this deliciousness. Okay, so I swear that he heard me because he just came back home, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to show you guys my reaction to taste testing, and then I'll show you guys Adam's. Okay, so here is our cucumber corn black bean salad. I'm like a little chipmunk. It's so good. You can taste all of the ingredients in it. It's creamy, it's crunchy, it's fresh. And now I'll show you guys Adam's.
Wow. I'm loving the blend.
Yeah?
Yeah.